Just doing a quick unboxing of the new Apple iPad Air 4th generation. This is the latest version of the device. Comes with a couple new features. This one is the Wi-Fi and cellular model with 256 gig storage option. It also comes in a 64 gig. We also have the 2nd gen Apple Pencil and the Magic Keyboard. So let's dig inside the box. So the new iPad Air is powered by the A14 Bionic chip. It has USB-C, as you can see there, compared to Lightning on previous iPads. It has Wi-Fi 6, 12 megapixel camera on the back, and while there's no Face ID like on the latest iPad Pro, it does have Touch ID built into the power button. As you can see, there's a 12 megapixel camera, microphone, Apple logo. This is a connector for some of the accessories and whatnot. USB-C port on the bottom, speakers, power button with Touch ID, volume keys, SIM card. Yeah, put it off to the side, and your manuals and stuff. A USB Type-C power adapter, and a USB-C to USB-C cable. This wall adapter is 20 watts. So that's it for the iPad Air. So let's dig inside the Apple Pencil. So unlike the previous generation Apple Pencil, this one can magnetically attach to the iPad Air and it will charge via that way. Like so. So there's no kind of connecting it via like an adapter or whatnot on like previous models. And then finally we have the Magic Keyboard. This is available for the new iPad Pro, but this also works with the latest iPad Air. The keyboard is very similar to what you would find on like the latest MacBook Pro and whatnot. So the iPad just magnetically attaches, like so. And then you have your Magic Keyboard attached with a trackpad and all the different kind of keys you would find. So yeah, that's been a quick unboxing of the new iPad Air with accessories.